Hey there guys, Abners Reviews here, back with another unboxing, and today we'll be unboxing this Intex Soft Side Pool. Oh yeah! We have this Intex Soft Side Pool. That's the branding, Intex. And I guess that's how it looks like. For measurements, we have 1.88 meters by 46 centimeters or 74 inches by 18 inches. And on the other side, there are warning labels again.
Wow!
This pool can accommodate children aging from 5 to 12 years old. The material on this thing is strong rubber vinyl texture. And as a caution, when you use this Intex Soft Side Pool, you should lay down a mat underneath it so as to have extra protection on the bottom. So that pretty much is it. Let us get to unboxing this monster.
It's down white, boy.
Sound right, boy.
Wow!
Okay, so that is our Intex Soft Side Pool.
Wow.
All inflated. So that's 74 inches by 18 inches in size.
Wow!
That is a big pool, man. We have 3 intake valves. Initially, I thought it was just 2, so there were 3.
It sound right, boy.
So one for the bottom, the middle, and the top part. And that is the drain. That's how you drain it after using it. So that's the design on the side right there. And for size comparison, that is 1 gallon of mineral water in the middle right there. So that's how big the pool is.
It sound right, boy.
So there you go, guys. Please do not forget to like and comment on our video. And if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe to Abner's Reviews. Do not forget to click the notification bell, select all, so you'll get notified when we upload another video. Please also follow us on our social media links right here. Well, that's been it. This is Abner's Reviews. And I'll catch you guys on the next one.
It sound right, boys.